So welcome back, I'm Chef Elmer. So today, gagawa tayo ng banana bread. Ang ingredients na kailangan natin ay flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon powder, walnut, butter, egg, banana, and vanilla extra. And kailangan nyo rin mag-line and grease ng loaf pan. So, let's start. So before we start mixing, we need to preheat our oven sa temperature na 350 Fahrenheit. So the first step is we need to sift our flour. Okay? So get a sifter, place your flour, and baking powder and baking soda, salt and cinnamon powder. Then sift it, just gently tap it at the side. Then slightly mix it. Then add in your sugar. Once well incorporated na ang dry ingredient nyo, i-add nyo naman ang walnuts. So, ready na ang dry ingredient natin. I-prepare naman natin ang wet ingredient. For the wet ingredient, just mix together the melted butter, egg, banana, and vanilla. Just mix it together until well incorporated. So we're done with our wet ingredient. After mixing your dry ingredient and wet ingredient, okay, so pwede nyo na siya i-combine. Just pour your wet ingredients sa dry ingredients. So gently fold in your wet ingredients sa dry ingredient until well incorporated. So we're done mixing. Ready na siya i-pan. So slightly flatten your butter. So ready na i-bake ang banana bread. So we need to bake this for 50 to 60 minutes sa preheated oven na 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So after 1 hour or 60 minutes, luto na ang banana cake natin. So you can double check it. Pwede nyo tusukin sa gitna. So kapag wala nang sumamang butter or tuyo na, luto na ang pound cake. So you need to let this cool before cutting. So we're done with our banana cake. Thank you and enjoy.